Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hit Today I'll be giving you my eyebrow tutorial. Boom boom, what it is, so your eyebrows ain't looking a hot mess when you walking out in the streets. You know what I'm saying? Eyebrows always shape your face too. Like, you can change the shape of your eyebrows and you will look different. That's just crazy, isn't it? So it's like really important to have your eyebrows together. So let me help you out. Let me help you out. I don't think you know what I'm saying. If you like my eyebrows and would like to know how I do, stay tuned for the video and just watch what's coming up next. Okay, let's get started. have it. That's how I do my eyebrows. Pretty basic, pretty simple, pretty fast. I do alternate, like I said briefly, in between, like if I'm gonna go out or if it's just I'm going to class. I do change it up depending on where I'm going. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like my eyebrows, go ahead and put them. And please like, comment, and subscribe, and tune into my next video, you guys. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Okay. I know it's like super short, but that's like a plus, right? Nobody wants to sit here and watch videos for days on end, so you're welcome. So thanks, guys. See you in my next video. Love ya.